My name is Nene Ugbah. I was previously a senior laboratory assistant for young fish investigations, and very recently I accepted an environmental scientist position. So I am the diet and condition study lead. These fish will be dissected and they will look at the guts and actually identify what animals the fish are eating. So some samples might be striped bass, longfin smelt, delta smelt. The gut contents that we find in species of fish that we're looking at will inform management decisions, such as how much water should be going through the delta to be able to influence successful habitat. When I was growing up, I was a Girl Scout for a very short amount of time. And in that time, I realized I didn't really like camping, but I did like nature. If you had talked to me when I was 10 and told me that I would be identifying zooplankton, I wouldn't have known what zooplankton were. If you had told me that I would be on boats collecting fish and identifying them and being actually interested in their diets and their ecology, I would have called you crazy, because I was all about dogs, cats, large mammals. I went to undergrad at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. I thought that I would be trending towards larger things like cheetahs, wolves, things like that, but instead I ended up becoming enamored with very small predators like dragonflies. Their presence or absence in a water body pretty much tells you about the health of the ecosystem. When I was looking for jobs after I got out of school, I was like, things with bugs, cool. Things with microscopes, cooler. I think it was just a really lucky fit, that everything that I want to do or want to continue doing in terms of finding out about new animals and being able to see them in depth, I get to do that here.